Michelle Hickox, Independent Bank in McKinney, Texas. I'm the CFO. We're a community bank in Texas. We have locations in North Texas, Central Texas. We just added an area in Houston. We have about 35 branches, and our bank is about $3.6 billion in total assets right now. The benefits to us for using the custodial letters of credit is because we're a lending bank. So we have a very high loan to deposit ratio. We don't have a very large securities portfolio to be able to use that to pledge collateral to our public fund accounts. We have a lot of customers with public funds throughout our footprint because we have branches in rural areas where we may be the only bank in town that's able to accept those large deposits. The letters of credit allow us to have additional collateral availability to secure those public funds. We use the custodial letters of credit primarily to secure public fund deposits. It allows us to accept larger deposits where we may not have availability from our securities portfolio for additional pledging. Using the custodial letters of credit has benefited our customers indirectly because that allows us to be able to accept larger deposits, and they can have a relationship with one bank versus having to spread those deposits among several banks. The impact of us not being able to use the custodial letters of credit would mean we wouldn't be able to accept as many public fund deposits because we wouldn't have the availability to collateralize those. And so, therefore, we would have to use alternative funding methods to fund our loan growth. Our relationship with Federal Home Loan Bank is very beneficial to our business. We get great customer service. The accessibility to the people I need and the products that I need has been terrific since I've been with Independent Bank. Our municipalities typically will take letters of credit in their investment policies. It hasn't been a problem. I think in the past, when there have been some that maybe were not knowledgeable about them, an FHLB rep has come out and educated them, and we've been able to get them to include those as collateral. We generally prefer to use the custodial letters of credit because we think they're more flexible. If a public fund entity removes their deposits and releases a custodial letter of credit, we're able to reassign that letter of credit to a new customer without getting a new one issued. I would describe FHLB Dallas in 3 words as accessible, supportive, and customer-oriented.